So I'm setting myself a challenge for this week. Well, for the rest of the month. I went out and had a big dinner on the weekend. So it's a Monday when I'm filming, and I've just done a very quick grocery shop because I'm out of milk. So I've got my milk, my 2 liters of A2 light as usual. I picked up a jar of passata, pancetta crumbs, a bag of spinach, 4 mini yogurts, 3 bananas, and a punnet of strawberries. So the challenge is that I have $125 left of my regular $600 per month budget. And I'm going to try and keep within budget this month. I have 11 days left of the month. So I'm going to try and eat out of my pantry and eat out of my freezer. I'll let you know how it goes. This small shop here came to just over $21, I think just under $22 actually. But I still have some things left, so I'll quickly show you. Bananas go into the fruit bowl. I still have my snacking tomatoes and a couple things of spring onion. So that's going to the fruit bowl. I've still got oranges left, so fruit, I'm good to go with my strawberries now. Veg, I still have some. I have some frozen veg in the freezer, but to be honest, I'm not particularly keen on frozen veg, but I have to clear room. And you know, I still have it in the budget to go out and get fresh. This will be like 2 nights dinner. And I plan on doing a pasta with the passata. I still have, I think, 1 or 2 chicken thighs left in the fridge. And with the pancetta crumbs, it'll be fine. I don't know whether I'm being overly optimistic with this budget or whether it's actually going to work. I've never really tried before. I guess you guys will know because I'm gonna include it in the video afterwards. Okay, it's really late at night and I really don't want to cook, but I have to deal with the stuff in my fridge or it'll turn. I've got 2 chicken thighs left and honestly, they've got like another day before they really go. Speaking of turning, I've got, I think, 4 or 5 days left on the cream. I have already tasted it and it's still good, so it's going in. So it's going to be pasta night tonight. I have 1 onion already diced up here. I'm going to do it with the chicken, pancetta crumbs, mushrooms, which are starting to look dodgy, but they're all going in anyway. And I'm going to deglaze with wine. I always have wine in my fridge, and I still have chicken stock left. And obviously cream with the sauce. Then for a bit of veg, I'm going to throw in about half a packet of spinach. So it's going to be a penne with chicken creamy sauce. Okay, And that's my dinner. That was a 20-minute dinner. I obviously made a lot so that I can have my portion of dinner, and the rest will get put into a baking tray, and then I will put some cheese on it, and tomorrow it's a cheesy pasta bake. It's late, I'm going to eat now. Okay, so this is leftover night. I have rice that's been sitting in my fridge for days, more days than I care to admit. And I have some leftover Taiwanese sausages and the last of my spring onions. So of course it's going to be fried rice. The rice is hard, so I really do need to fry it up. It's a pretty easy recipe. Everyone basically does it exactly the same way. You can add whatever you like, but it's how you deal with leftover rice. Couple of eggs beaten goes into a hot wok. Then you kind of scramble it, and then you throw in your rice and you fry the bejesus out of it. Then you add in your meat if you really want. Seasoning wise, it's a bit of salt or MSG, and seasoning, you know, you can use like a chicken bouillon powder, or I use Japanese dashi. It's got the umami that MSG would have. Then a teeny bit of soy sauce, and then you taste it. So I'll speed you through. And so that was it. Pretty easy, right? This took less than 10 minutes and it's pretty much just leftover food. So fried rice, turning all of the fridge's leftovers into a new meal, and I will have this over 2, maybe 3 meals. We'll see. It's really late, so I'm just gonna plate up and eat it now.